Welcome to class 7. This is Rakesh Kumar from Raval Public School. Today we shall discuss a new chapter, that is chapter 13, Motion and Time. What is motion? Here is a picture you can see. Motion is an object changes its position with respect to fixed point. And there are two types of motion, fast and slow. What is fast motion? An object which covers more distance in less interval of time. It means that object is moving fast. Or when the object covers less distance in more interval of time, it means that object is moving slower. And now the other type, uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion means when an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Suppose a student is going to school from his home in 15 minutes and his home is 5 kilometers away from the school, and daily he follows the same routine. It means he is performing the uniform motion. Sometimes he takes more or less time than the 15 minutes. It means he performed non-uniform motion. So non-uniform motion means when object cover an equal distance in equal interval of time or equal distance in an equal interval of time. It means it is non-uniform motion. Here is a picture of simple pendulum. You can see from the point where it is suspended. This is known as point of suspension. And in between the position, this is mean position, you can see in the picture. So what is pendulum? It is a device which completes to and fro motion in a same time, and the rotating moving object, that is called bob, in between the center position, this is also known as mean position, and the side position is known as extreme position. So pendulum bob move from mean position to extreme position and then back again to mean position. So this to and fro motion of the bob about its mean position is called oscillation. Here is a picture of odometer and speedometer. And what is odometer? Odometer is a device which measures the distance traveled by vehicle, and distance is measured in meter or kilometers. Speedometer is a device which measures the speed of the moving object, and the speed is measured in meter per second or kilometer per hour. In the ancient time, when the clock is not there, then the time is measurement by the following these devices. You can see in the picture on the left side there is a sand clock. Here the two glass bulbs are connected to each other. In the upper glass bulb, sand is filled, then it falls slowly to the lower glass bulb. When the upper one is empty and lower one is filled, then the time is recorded. This way, the time is measured by using sand clock. On the right side, there is a picture of sundial. This is a round clock in which the triangular shaped object is erected and it is placed in front of the position of the sun. And when the sun rays falling on the object, then the shadow of the object falling on the dial, and this measure the distance and the time covered by the object. So these are the following devices which is used in ancient time to measure the time. I hope you all have understood about the motion and time. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep smiling.